Hello. Welcome to how to create a website on Proxmox. Step 1. Download the WordPress template. Local. Container templates. Templates. WordPress. Turnkey WordPress. Download. Download successful. Step 2. Create container. This is a form of operating system level virtualization that is much lighter than a virtual machine. WordPress. Password. Confirm password. Next. Template. WordPress template. Disks. Disk size. Next. CPU. Memory. 1024. Network. I recommend you set a static IP address for your web server. IPv4. Gateway. DNS. DNS domain. DNS server. Next. Finish. This is the newly created container. WordPress. Console. Start. Step 3. Install WordPress. Root. Enter the password you set when creating container. Misclick password. Confirm password. WordPress password. You use this password to customize your website. Email. Apply. Domain. First, I create a website on the local network, so I enter the static IP address of the container. Then I use the domain because port forwarding is needed on the router. Skip. Skip. Updates. Skip. Links to access your web server page. I check the results on the local network using the local network. OK. A basic website is complete. Next, I introduce some advanced steps. For example, accessing from outside. Step 4. Port forwarding on the router. Forward port 80. Container's IP address. Apply. Complete port 80 forwarding. Next, forward port 443. Apply. Step 5. Domain. A website always has a domain name. Configure DNS. Add record. Name. @ IPv4 address. Public IP address. Paste. Save. New added successfully. Access your website's admin panel. Set up your domain on WordPress. Settings. Instead of using your local IP address, use your domain name. Domain. Domain. Some other basic settings. Time zone. Date format. Time format. Save. Your connection isn't private. You will encounter an error like the one above. And here is how to fix it. Advanced menu. Let's encrypt. Select. Get Let's Encrypt SSL Cert. Select. Yes. HTTP 01. Yes. Enter your domain name. Apply. Yes. Automatic renewal. Enable. OK. Back. Reboot to apply changes. Error. Open your browser in private mode. Enter your domain name in the address bar. OK. Successfully set up a domain name for my website. Important steps completed. There is one issue I want to note. Home Internet usually uses a specific address, dynamic IP address only. Therefore, the next step is to guide you on how to update your public IP address when it changes. Open the command window in Proxmox and use the command below. Cloudflare DDNS. Paste. Yes. Default install. Enter the Cloudflare API token. You create a token on Cloudflare. Profile. API token. Create token. Edit zone DNS. Select your domain name. Continue to summary. Create token. This is my API token. Copy the token. Paste the token. Enter. Enter your domain name. Star. Domain name. Proxied. No. IPv6. No. I turn off the router and wait for the public IP address to change. And as you can see, Cloudflare has updated the new public IP address. So you don't have to worry when using a dynamic address for your website. Step 8. Theme. After setting up a web server, you should choose a theme that suits your needs. Add theme. Upload theme. Upload theme. Choose file. Activate. Skip setup. Appearance. Themes. Upload theme. Choose file. Install now. Activate. Install plugins. Import demo data. Install. Install. Apply. Import. Import. OK. The above are the steps to create a website on Proxmox. Thank you for watching. Check results.